Epicure is one of the most fascinating projects, bringing together 8 European universities that want to create a common space for further development. This is made possible by the fact that each of the 8 universities adds to the common European richness what is most valuable in national terms: French, German, Austrian, Dutch, Greek, and Polish. We connect people and institutions, pointing out new opportunities for development, all in order to make our European home more stable, solid, human, and nature-friendly, safer for future generations.
Epicure is about to embark on a new chapter, as we will soon launch Epicure Research. The connections to teaching and learning are obvious, as Epicure Research will foster interdisciplinarity and focus on early career researchers. One of the models that will help us achieving our goals are the EpiCrossroads, inspired by the European Knowledge Square, covering all 4 corners of education, research, innovation and society. The EpiCrossroads will focus on the interconnections between those corners, bringing the square to life.
One of the main goals of KIT and Epicure is to further develop higher education institutions and move towards the universities of the future. To achieve this goal, the 4 missions of universities, education, research, innovation and transfer to society, have to be more strongly connected with each other. Epicure aims at creating, disseminating and preserving knowledge, keeping in mind the principles of Humboldt's unity of research and teaching. Another focus is on knowledge-based and technology-oriented startups. Thus, we successfully prepare students for a career in industry, academia, politics and society.
The European Commission states that the Horizon 2020 program will complement the Erasmus Plus European Universities initiative with a top-up for the research and innovation dimension. Both DGs fear double funding to take place. How can the EU ends still make sure to entangle both funding schemes closely to achieve maximum effectiveness and to allow research-oriented teaching to take place?